video, we are going to go over the choices for the January, yes, January 2021 Boxycharm Base and Boxycharm Premium boxes. You guys said that you love when I do these videos to kind of, help you decide what you're going to go ahead and choose for your base and your premium box. So before we jump into the video, as always, if you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Rhonda, and over here we always embrace the hot mess because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox, we chit-chat, and we just have a good old time. So anyways, if you guys are curious about my top, it is one of my favorites from Torrid. If it's still available, I will make sure to link it down below for you guys. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I'm trying super duper uber hard to get that swipey uppy. There's a giveaway going on our channel as well as over on Instagram. I'll talk more about that later in the video, but let's go ahead and jump on in. Okay guys, so on December 7th, which is Monday, that is when Choice is going to open up for base and premium members. This is where you get to customize your box, choosing one of the items in your box. And I don't know about you guys, but I feel like January is starting off with a bang for Boxycharm with some of the choices that we do have. So I've gone ahead and I've got all the information we're going to go ahead and go over. Let's start off with the base box. Now, if you guys are new to Boxycharm, the base box is a monthly subscription. It's $25 a month and you will receive at least $125 worth of goodies, and you do, like I said, get to customize one item. Now the choices for the base box are pretty hard. They're awesome, but it's hard to pick. So I'm really hoping that we see all of these items and add-ons. I don't know, but I'm really hoping. And the nice thing is you can get in there, you can make your choice, then you can go shop add-ons. If you see those items are available in add-ons and you want, and not everything is an add-on, you can jump back over and change your choice. Just letting you guys know, I have done that in the past. So the first item we're going to talk about is, this is by Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. The one that I'm showing over here is the limited edition one specifically for Boxycharm. What Pure did was change the cap. So we're going to see a black cap, which kind of goes obviously with the theme to Boxycharm boxes. So the limited edition 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer, the product is not new. This is something that Pure already has, but like I said, it's the component that is specifically for Boxycharm. A little information about this item. It does say in here that it is simplify your beauty routine with the natural looking coverage of a famed multi-purpose 4-in-1 tinted moisturizer, a moisturizer, primer, and foundation in broad spectrum SPF protection all in one, blurring the lines between skincare and makeup. The SPF 20 enhances the look of your complexion. It preps your skin, helps to protect from sun, and boosts hydration. The innovative 4-in-1 formula infuses the skin with powerful hydrators and proven correctors, including sodium hyaluronic, or I think I said that right, hyaluronate, and Pure's exclusive Ceratin complex, a one-of-a-kind ingredient engineered to help renew the look of skin. See what I'm saying? This sounds really amazing, right? Okay, but then we have the Avant, I think is how you say it, or Avant, I don't know. But this has a $90 retail value, and this sounds absolutely amazing. Little information about this particular item. Bi-phase hyaluronic acid rejuvenating miracle water. Okay, does that not sound just like so amazing? On top of that, like I said, has a retail value of $90. And I'm like, do I need it? What would I get more use out of? I mean, I'm just like, please have this as add-ons. This is infused with replenishing ingredients, bi-phase hyaluronic acid rejuvenating micellar water works in two phases. First, the oil phase, aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup. Then the micellar water phase, working to capture impurities and dissolving makeup from the face, eyes, lips. Gentle action, rubbing and without rubbing and rinsing. I do occasionally use the micellar water. My double cleanse, this is me like literally talking through my choice, guys, because as you know, I do get base and premium that I do purchase. So I am working out and trying to figure out my choices with you guys as well. So I don't know. Okay, let's move on to the next item that we are seeing as a choice, and that is the Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminating Duo. Retail value $33, and this product, it does say, is the duo that features a silky weightless shimmer powder and a more intense sparkle finish. Now this was easy for me. I have an abundance of highlighters, so I'm like, you don't need it. You don't need it. So that one, it's fine. Two out of the 3 products I'm leaning towards. This one I'm like, nah, I'm good. I don't need it. Okay, so this one has me intrigued only because I just picked one up at a Boxy add-on or something by Ren, and I actually use it quite often and I really enjoy it. This is by Lifestyle & Co. This is called the Reset Mist. It has clear quartz infused lavender and tea tree body and linen spray. Spray the Reset Mist on your sheets before bed for a calm sleep and use as a toner on your face in the morning. Again, it's pretty intriguing, and I know it sounds kind of gimmicky, guys, but like I said, I did pick one up from Ren during the Boxy add-ons a couple months ago, and I do spray it on my sheets every single night, and it is like this very earthy, lavender, calming type of scent. Could it be like a placebo effect? Absolutely, but I kind of like it. But for me, I don't think I'm going to do it. It does have a retail value of $24, and I'm the type of person that I do tend to, when I make my choices, go for something that is more pricey, only because I feel like maybe $24 I might be able to get that on sale a little bit less expensive. But when we're looking at a $90 micellar water from a brand that we know is really good, you know, and then we've got the Pure, which for some reason I don't think I clicked how much the price is, but this is like around, I think, $35. The Pure 4-in-1 moisturizer, that does sound really amazing, because I'll be honest with you guys, I've actually been, like, what I have on my face right now is just the QMS tinted moisturizer with just a little bit of this by OFRA Cosmetics Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, and I put like a half a pump in there with 2 pumps of this, and it just gives me this nice sheer natural kind of look with a little bit of correctiveness to it. And I feel like this 4-in-1 by Pure tinted moisturizer will have the coverage that I'm looking for when I mix these two. So I'm really struggling between the Pure and the Advent. I'm really hoping that maybe I'll pick up the Pure. I don't really know. And then hopefully the other one will be in add-ons. The struggle is real. Okay, let's move over to, so I don't make this video too crazy long, but let's be honest, I talk a lot. Okay, so let's talk about our choices for premium. If you guys are new to Boxycharm Premium, Premium is also a monthly subscription that you can get for $35 a month plus tax, and you do get to customize one item in here. Like I said, I do purchase both the base and the premium box, and the first item that we get to choose from is the Laura Mercier Caviar Sticks. Now, I'm excited to see Laura Mercier coming to Boxycharm, because we're seeing the caviar sticks. So we know from the past, if you think about it, when you start seeing brands that are coming into Boxycharm, it's typically never a one and done. Like, think about it. Fenty Beauty, OFRA Cosmetics, MAC, what is some other ones? QMS is one, for example. There's a lot. There is a lot of brands, OFRA, that once you see them one time, we start to see them over the course of time, which I absolutely love that, especially with Laura Mercier. And the caviar sticks, if you ever watch a lot of YouTube, like Sephora VIB recommendation videos, a lot of people have the caviar sticks in their cart that they're talking about, that they recommend, that it is like an OG fave. And we actually are going to get to choose, I hear, from 7 different shades. So these have a retail value of $29. They're a long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick that can also line and highlight and create smoky looks. I'm pretty intrigued about it. I have received, Haley and I both received them in I think it was in our Ipsy. I haven't tried it yet, but I have it like sitting there to try, because I told you guys I'm starting to do more of like subscription get ready with me's, where I take makeup from different subscriptions and do looks for you guys. So I'll have to do a look with this for y'all, but I'm pretty intrigued by it, especially because we have the choice of 7 different shades. And again, I'm like, can this be add-ons? Because the next item is a tricky one too, where I'm like, I want both. I'm stingy, I'm greedy, and for the price that I want them both. And that is the Fenty Beauty Powder by Rihanna, the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. Oh, this has a retail value of $32. It's the Best of Allure for 2020 award it has. And you guys, I don't know. It's a super fine weightless loose setting powder in 8 sheer shades of perfect and extend makeup wear for a filtered photo ready finish on lock. Now, I am pulling that information straight from Sephora. I don't know if we're going to get to choose from all 8 shades, but you guys, what are you picking? What are you picking for your base? What are you picking for your premium? I don't know. I want both of the premium choices. It's just like with the December premium box. I told you guys, I wanted both of the Viseart palettes, which I picked the colorful one, and then I was able to purchase the other one in Boxy Pop-Up. So, like I said, add-ons happens the exact same day, so I'm hoping some of these items, like, are also in add-ons. What are y'all's thoughts? I'm leaning towards the micellar water and the pure for base, and I don't know for premium, because I honestly think either one of those are going to be amazing. And as we know, for the premium, we're going to be seeing that OFRA Cosmetics palette too. So there's so many thoughts. I have so many thoughts. So I need to know. I need y'all's help. Ugh, it's a hard choice. It's just a really hard choice. So anyways, let me know you guys' thoughts down below. One thing that I want to ask you guys is a little question I did see floating around over on Instagram, and Boxycharm did ask us to ask you guys this, so let's keep it kind in the comment section. We're all about positivity, not nasty negativity, but it's just a way that Boxycharm, I can take you guys' responses back to Boxycharm and let them know what you guys are wanting to see. The question that they are wanting us to ask is, what perks, not non-box related, would you like to receive for being a premium and or luxe charmer? Example: early access to new product launches, opportunities to participate in exclusive giveaways, etc. So let me know you guys' thoughts down below. What do you guys want to see? And let me know, because I'm going to take it back to Boxycharm for you guys. So anyways, guys, don't forget there are giveaways going on our channel. One is over on Instagram, which I will have linked down below for you guys. One is on our channel, and again, you have to go over to that video in order to enter in. Those giveaways in December 12th. So make sure to jump over and check them out. You have to be subscribed and you have to be following me over on Instagram. And don't forget to follow me on my second channel, Hotmess Momma Vlogs. If you guys are interested in signing up for Boxycharm and you want to make the choices on December 7th at 12 o'clock Eastern time, make sure to check my description box down below for a link to sign up. It is an affiliate link, so I will earn a little bit of a commission, so thank you guys in advance. I'll also post the link to sign up for Boxycharm in the comment section down below as well. Anyways, guys, like I said, let me know you guys' thoughts. What are some of the items that you think you're going to be picking? Because this is really good. This is really good. Anyways, friends, I'm hopping off for now. Until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.